Good morning, everybody. Dominoes Seven is cooking it up. Dominoes Seven is cooking it up. Dominoes Seven is cooking it up. Cook it up, cook it up, cook it up. Cook it up, cook it up. Cook it up, cook it up. Oh, cook it up. Cook it up, cook it up. Yo, cook it up. Cook it up, cook it up, cook it up, cook it up, yo, cook it up, cook it up, cook it up. Excuse me. Cook it up, yo, cook it up, cook it up, cook it up. Well, Flavor and the Public Enemy saying give it up, but Dominoes Seven saying cook it up, cook it up, cook it up, yo, cook it up, cook it up, yo, cook it up. So, all right, what's up? I wonder who else is watching Dominoes 7. Let me know who you are. Cook it up. Yeah. Cook it up, cook it up, cook it up, cook it up. Look at what Dominoes 7 cooking. Cook it up, yo, cook it up. Cook it up, yo, cook it up. Cook it up, cook it up, cook it up, yo. Cook it up, cook it up. Cook it up, yo, cook it up. Cook it up, cook it up. Cook it up, cook it up. Yo, cook it up, 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 cook it up. Dominoes 7 is cooking it up. You heard me? Cook it up, 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 cook it up. That dirty bastard watching this, who cares if you're watching this, dig? Huh. Yeah. All I say is, he better leave my baby alone. That's what. Stalking on Instagram and stuff like that. I'm putting it out. Well, maybe I shouldn't have put that crap out, you know? Dominoes 7 is cooking it up. Cook 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 it up. Look at this here. Frying some patty cakes, baker's man. Roll it up, twist it, put it in the pan. First you give it to Dolly, giving it to Scrunch, giving it to Toast, giving it to Crunch. Mr. Crunch, doing it big. Blah, 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 bling, bling, bling. Patty cake, make us mad. Roll it up, twist it, put it in the pan. Let me try that over again. Patty cake, make us mad. Roll it up, twist it, put it in the pan. Put it in the pan. Put it in the pan, put it in the skillet, put it in the pot, blah, blah, blah. Put it in the pan. No, sir. Blah, blah, blah. Doing it big. Doing some cooking some soul. Blah, blah, blah. Bling, bling, bling. Dominoes 7 not the rapper anymore. Blah, blah, blah. Boo! Uh-oh. What's going on here? It's me sizzling. Who is that? Who's sizzling? Mr. Patty Cake. Uh-oh. I got pancake batter on the back of my phone. All right. So I guess that's what Mr. Pancake was talking about. Or should I say Mr. Patty Cake? They're saying baker's man. And my friend Robin was watching this video just now. My friend Robin, beautiful Robin, you know. Yeah, beautiful Robin was watching me just now. Okay. Yes, indeed. You know what? I don't know if it was last year or the year before last. I was on a bus and she had a baby, you know. I'm like, the girl looked familiar. I ain't seen Robin since 1997, you know. So I call it a blessing that I seen Robin, you know. But I ain't gonna say her full name out though, you know. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. Beautiful Robin. Yes, indeed. And I want to tell y'all, I went to elementary school with her. You know, she was the sweetest of the sweetheart, and I think she still is the sweetest of the sweetheart. Yes, indeed. Oh, yes, indeed. I'm cooking it up. So, oh my, my friend DJ Danny on the phone on there. You know, so. I'm a video chat with him next time, you know, okay? Cause I don't know if y'all watch that video chat or not, you know. Yes, indeed, though, you know. Yeah, good old Toya Moore. No, not Toya Moore. Toya Mead, I meant to say. Toya Moore name slipped out my mouth. I mean, she must have was on my mind, you know. How many more viewers I got, you know? I'm assuming it's the famous guy of all. Yeah, Dominoes 7 is definitely cooking it up, you know? So, anyways, I was saying, yo, my cousin Ryan gonna probably have a party next week, you know? But it depends on the situation. I may not go, you know? I ain't around to impress no damn body, you know? So, okay. It meant so much to me that my cousin Elton came when my mom was being funeralized. I couldn't look at my mom in that coffin though, even though she looked good. But I saw her though. I have nothing to feel guilty for, cause you know what the heck. Especially my friend Christina Andrews was watching. Yes, indeed, Wardy. And whoever watching this video right now, check me out on YouTube, yeah. Check me out on YouTube, yeah. All right. I'm about to finish this breakfast, okay? So, ta-ta, y'all.